Hi guys, in today's lecture we are going to learn list in HTML. Okay, in the previous lecture we just saw some basic lectures that are related to the text formatting. Today we are going to work with the HTML list. Okay, list is what you can say something that allows you to group elements or to group the related items or something, right? In a list are as same as we use in our daily life, like list of the fruits or list of any items like that. Okay, so for this example I am going to create a separate file. So once again this folder is open. I will click on the new file, give it a name, say lecture 2 underscore list.html. Okay, and here in VS Code I have a something, means if you write HTML and this HTML sample, it will give me some basic written code. I will remove all these things from this head section. This doc type HTML denotes that this particular page is of HTML5. So right now it is totally up to you. You want to use it or not. As we know, all of our work will go inside the body section. Okay, now when we come to the list, there are two types. First one is the unordered list, second one is the ordered list. Okay, let me start with the unordered first. So here let me give a heading, list of fruits. Okay, so this is just a heading. After that I want to show a list. So for that, first tag we will write ul. Ul is for unordered list. Okay, and inside ul, now every time when you want to add any item, you will write li, that is the list item. So first item, suppose I will write apple, banana, orange, etc. Okay, so this is what unordered list. Same thing, I will save it, right click. Here I have the option open in default browser. If it is not coming in your one, you can click on Revel in 5 Explorer, or you can directly go to the its location and open it in the browser directly. So here you can see this is what my unordered list. In order to add any item in the unordered list, you will use the li tag. Okay, and ul tag denotes that this is going to be a, means number of items will get added inside this list. Suppose I add any item, okay, out of li. So what will happen? As I told you yesterday, HTML will never give you any error. Okay, but you can see there is no formatting of the li tag. All right, so whenever you want to add something, you are going to use it as a li. Okay, now the next thing we have is what in the ul. Okay, so this is the list of fruits, and again I want to do the same thing. See ul list, and ul, sorry, this one I want as heading. So h1 heading of second list. It is not compulsory to give the heading, we are just giving it for our convenience. And let me add some items, say item 1, item 2, and item 3, item 4. So here the same thing. Okay, what we can do in the unordered list is we can change the particular bullet that is coming in front of it. Okay, like we can make it a square or a blank circle like that. Fine. So here let us do one thing. In the UL, in the opening tag of UL, we will write type is equal to and give it a name, say circle. You can see when you give the type, this thing will become circle. Okay, one more type it has, so for that I am just going to copy it, and third, this time in place of circle make it square. Save it and refresh the page. You can see this is the square now. Okay, this one is called basically disk, and it is default. If I didn't give any tip anything in the type, it will become disk, and even if you write a type is equal to disk, it will become this one. This is circle and this is the square. Okay, so these three are what, these are the list, but this list doesn't have any order. All right, what is ordered list means in which on by saying any element I can say this is at number 4 or number 5 or number 10 like that. Okay, so after that let me for horizontal line we have one tag that is HR, that means horizontal rule. It is same as the BR tag, means there is no need to close the HR tag and it will give you a line like this. Okay, after that what happened for the ordered list, you are going to use simply OL. Okay, for unordered list it is UL, for the ordered list it is OL, and LI will be same. Okay, that is the list item, either it is for the unordered list or it is for the ordered list. So you can see like this, 1 2 3 4 is the default type. Now uh, let me copy this and take multiple examples. Okay, so this is the default one, which is your 1 2 3 4. Now if I give type is equal to capital A, so it will give me the numbering in the form of capital ABCD. If I give type is equal to small a, it will give me the things in the form of small alphabets, that is small ABCD. If I give type is equal to I, so that will be the small Roman, and if you give type is equal to capital I, so it will give you the capital Roman. All right, so you can see this one is the default, this one in which the type is capital A, this one in which the type is small a small I is for Roman, and capital I is for the capital Roman. Okay, so I hope these things are clear. We'll see you in the next lecture then. Thank you.